friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I'm Holly and I'm happy to have you here today. Today I'm sharing with you a Walmart grocery haul, and to me things are still a little bit pricey, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. So the boneless pork chops were $15.84. Some roasted garlic chicken smoked sausage, that's really good, especially like at a sheet pan meal. Some Steam Fresh, the sweet corn, those are really good. Also, I picked up these, one's a skillet and one's a roasting, but I may put these in a sheet pan, I'm not sure yet. I know one of them I will. The skillet one, I'm looking at to see if I can do that in the oven. So one is the broccoli and cauliflower, and it has garlic and herbs, and then the other one is butternut squash, broccoli, and carrots with olive oil, garlic, and herbs. So those looked really good. Also picked up some asparagus, and this was a really nice bunch of them. Sometimes they're not, so I was glad to get that. Also some parsley, just regular curly leaf parsley. I bought 2 bags of the tricolor coleslaw. Walmart's the only place I can get this particular one, and I do like that one a lot. Also some romaine lettuce, or salad I should say, and I got 2 bags of those. We take those for lunch. These are like little red potatoes. They're not the kind that you necessarily put in like a crab boil or anything. These says ready in 5 minutes, but I'm going to put these on a sheet pan, I believe. Russet potatoes, some red enchilada sauce, some Mexican cheese, some grits. Always have to have that on hand. Ritz crackers, the whole wheat, orange juice, some canola oil. Sometimes I have to use that. Don't like to, but have to sometimes. And these 2 seasonings were in the aisle where you have like barbecue type items, utensils and things. So I wanted to try this. This one's onion butter, all-purpose blend, and then this one is a Rodeo Ranch tangy chicken rub. So those looked really good. So I wanted to try that. Also, if you're doing Weight Watchers as I am, these have been great. These are Therastyle popcorn seasoning spray. I buy 3 at a time when I can get them to keep them on hand, because I eat popcorn probably every day, just about. I mean, there's usually not a day that goes by that I don't, because it is, for me, it's a filling snack. It's fiber, and it's 0 points with this and with these seasonings. So that's great. So this one's a garlic parmesan and a cheesy jalapeno. They're really good. Some sugar-free coleslaw to go with my that's the coleslaw dressing to go with the coleslaw. Some Grey Poupon Dijon mustard, raw honey, and this, I mean, honey has gotten so expensive, it's crazy, but I needed it, and I like to have that on hand. Also some zero sugar candy. I don't eat a lot of this. This is just when I have that little bit of a sweet tooth that I want to kind of curve that sweet tooth. If you're doing Weight Watchers, 4 of these are 1 point. So I think that's pretty good. Just, you know, just to kind of have, just to ease off that, you know, craving of a sweet that you might want. Also some flour tortillas, and those are the burrito style for a recipe I'm going to do. Of course, my premium or premier protein shakes. These I put in my coffee. This one's the cafe latte. That's really good. That's the one I put in my coffee. I don't count that as points because 4 points is 0, I believe. 4 tablespoons, I'm sorry. 4 tablespoons of that is 0 points. And that's what I put in my coffee. The banana and cream, on the other hand, like for both of those, if you have the whole container, it is 3 points. So for the bananas and cream, that's not going in my coffee. I want to put that in the freezer and just kind of, you know, see if it'll freeze up just a little bit, like a little frozen type shake, but not completely, you know, solidly frozen. I think that would be a nice little treat to have. So if you're doing Weight Watchers, you know, that's an option for something like a little sweet treat. The Frenchies, the Zip bread, those are really good, the Weidenheimers. Let's see. Hickory Smoked Tuna Creations. You'll see this probably in most of my videos for my husband, his lunch. Seasoning, the ranch seasoning. Also, the lunch meats have gotten expensive. It hasn't gone down, but it's $5.36, not even a pound, but this will last me a while. I will probably get about 4 or 5 sandwiches out of this. So, and I have 2 packs. What I don't use goes in the freezer, but that goes a long way for me since I'm doing Weight Watchers. So I didn't mind paying that in a way because it does give me a lot of sandwiches for the next 2 weeks. Some tomatoes for a recipe, some light sour cream, Country Crock plant butter, the less fat Philadelphia cream cheese, some aluminum foil, parchment paper, baby aspirin I take every day, Immune Plus, so I take that as well when I can get it. Also some apple cider vinegar. I take these along with apple cider, the Bragg's one, in some water, some pecans, Gain Flings. This is detergent, the pods, gallon freezer bags, Clorox wipes, Hefty garbage bags, and I have the Damp Rid, the little thing, you just put this little tab in and it takes out the water or dampness that's in your house. So this is great like for laundry room if you hang up clothes and things. So I went ahead and got that refill pack, so I have that on hand. Downy Rinse Refresh. If you've not used this yet, you should try it. It's very good. That's great on my dogs bedding and stuff, and also on like cleaning rags and things like that. But I did pick up some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and those were $14.33. Some chicken breast, and those were $16.48. And if you've been with me long enough, you know you're gonna find 7-Up Zero Sugar in my videos. So I got 3 of those because they were cheaper than I've seen in a while. Also some Made Good granola bars. One's the mixed berry and one is the chocolate chip. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. But I hope that everyone has a blessed day and a great week. God bless y'all.